Hey, welcome to the channel, Real Estate with Ray, where I document and tell you about my journey and I educate you through what I've been through so you don't mess up like I did and you can close some more deals out there in this business, in this world. So today I want to get into lead generation.
The leads are weak. The leads are weak. Leads are weak. You're weak.
Lead generation, and how do you find these motivated sellers that I told you about in my step-by-step video that I'll put up here in the card somewhere on how to close your real estate wholesale deal. So one of the ways that you can actually find motivated sellers is social media or content marketing. And you want to use different sites. I've used Investor Carrot before, where you actually make websites, you make these landing pages, you have articles posted to where you are giving information to the people and you're instilling them with knowledge to kind of build up your credibility in the market to be like, man, this is some great information. Let me reach out to that person and see if they can help me with my home. So that's going to bring you some leads on the outside. There's going to be some outbound leads coming into you. So Investor Carrot is one way that you could do as far as social media or content marketing. Another way is kind of structuring your social media to where people know that you're a real estate investor and that you're looking to help individuals with whatever housing problem they have and that you're out here to help. I'm going to pull up a thing here where you can actually see, if you go to my LinkedIn or my Instagram page, go to my Instagram page at Real Estate with Ray, and you can see I post a lot of information about real estate. I give what's been going on, what's been happening in my situation, and what we can do for people as far as educating them or helping people out of a situation. So kind of structure your page to where you are somebody that can help people in this market. The next thing you want to do when it comes to these lead generation is PropStream is a good one. PropStream, you can go on there. PropStream is so available to everybody. It's very easy to use. You can go through find tire landlords. You could do single family house, 4 units or lower. You can find somebody that has vacant properties. You can even go to older homes that was maybe in the 90s or below or something and find properties that way to where you have these individuals coming in, and that's another source of lead generation. Another source would be Zillow or Realtor. You can go to Zillow literally and just go right up to Zillow, type in my computer right here. I can go to Zillow and I can type in Atlanta, Georgia, which is the market that I'm in now, and you can see homes 6 to 12 months on the market. I say do it listed with an agent because there's a big percentage of houses that are listed versus the percentage of properties that are off market. So properties that are off market is a very small percentage. So when you're dealing with properties that's on market, it's going to be a very high percentage. Actually, me and my partner just closed a deal actually today, as of February 22nd of the recording of this video, and we closed the land deal, and it was from an agent that was on market. So that's something that you can go up to. Another thing is whenever you're on Zillow or Realtor, check and see if the price changed and why it didn't sell. That can kind of give you a better understanding of the motivation of the seller, and that can help you find these sellers a lot easier, and you can do the deal a lot easier whenever you have that information, right? So another thing would be helping others, just being knowledgeable. And as you go through this business and you learn something that's true and that is factual and you can prove this, now you start giving this information out. You start regurgitating what's out there in your own manner. You take the stuff you learn and you push that out there. And as you're helping people, if you help somebody close a deal or get out of probate or get out of foreclosure, ask for a referral. Like, I can't tell you how many people will close a deal and they never be like, hey, do you have anybody else that maybe need to sell their home or something? Like, if you're sell or be sold, that is Grant Cardone, sell or be sold. If you are not doing it that way, you're going to potentially miss out on future deals that you didn't even have to work hard to get. And you're going to end up finding these motivated sellers because one family member going to be like, hey, this person, Ray, helped me out with this deal, and maybe he can help you out too. I got a family member that's going through the same situation. Can you help them out? Bam, you just got your referral. So you want to kind of look at it that way.